everything like that. Right. See, it is the hacker's number one rule also. We have to learn to defend ourselves first. Right. And then go and attack. It's like I can go and hack into anybody's Wi-Fi, but if anybody can also come and hack into my Wi-Fi, like, then what is the point of going and learning and hacking into somebody else's Wi-Fi? So first rule, anybody who wants to become a hacker, come terrorist, a terrorist come hacker, or whatever it is, or even an ethical hacker, first rule is defend yourself first. Okay, learn to protect your own selves, and then you can go and begin to attack. Okay, so there are few things. I'll be mixing both the topics, office productivity tools as well as cybersecurity. Both I'll be combining together itself. Okay, the first thing that I would like to cover here is, because most of the time whenever I'm giving sessions in a CA, like many CAs across many years have told me, okay, Sachin, forget everything. You just tell me what my article is doing in my absence. Okay, and classic examples are given to me. Classic examples. Okay, Sachin, मेरा office है, cabin है. Okay, glass वाला cabin है. I can see from my cabin itself that article वो solitaire का game खेल रहा है. Okay, but by the time मैं cabin से उठ के वहां से जाता हूँ, उसके पास पहुंचता हूँ, okay, वो game बंद हो जाता है, टैली चालू हो जाता है या एक्सेल चालू होता है, भाई साहब जो एंट्री भी मार देता है. Right now I cannot even go and tell him कि बेटा पत्ता इधर से इधर लिया होता ना, गेम खत्म हो गई होती तेरी. Right. And all of you are aware that during COVID, how articles productivity has come up or gone down. And especially when they say is that okay, when you're outside the office, okay, you understand how much what they are doing in your absence. So some CAs everyone come and told me, Sachin, latest movies मेरे पास मिल जाएगा. बोला कैसे? जैसे ऑफिस के बाहर जाता हूँ ना, okay, movies इधर पूरा download हो जाता है. And see, I'll also tell you, based on so many corporate seminars that I've been giving across India and abroad also, employees will always think that security is not their responsibility only. Are you getting me? जो भी experiment करना होगा ना, वो किधर करना है पता है? ऑफिस के पीसी के ऊपर. I hope you're getting me. कुछ भी करो ऑफिस के पीसी के ऊपर करो. लाइसेंस विंडोज है कि नहीं पता नहीं, एंटीवायरस लिया कि नहीं पता नहीं, सिक्योरिटी अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है. So if they want to poke at any marketing website, if they want to download any file, if they want to experiment, क्या है? अपना ऑफिस का लैपटॉप या डेस्कटॉप या वाईफाई जिंदाबाद. I hope that is clear. Because when I give corporate sessions now, that time when we go and talk to the employees come and say, sir, हम लोग तो open करेगा ही ना. This is not our job. तो IT किस काम के लिए? एंटीवायरस क्यों खरीदा है? फायरवॉल क्यों रखा है? Why are they paying for the IT? उसके रोल के लिए पैसा क्यों दे रहे हो? हम लोग तो पोक करके ओपन करके देखेगा. क्यों देखेगा? Because अगर हमने वो फाइल नहीं ओपन की या मेल नहीं ओपन किया तो बॉस आके चिल्लाएगा. I hope you're getting me. For them, it is a simple excuse that we should learn to open any files, any attachments, because security is not our responsibility. But now coming back to the most important thing, see, there are two things which I would like to show you. One is a CCTV camera that obviously all of you will have to monitor the physical presence of that particular person coming inside or going outside the office, right? But I can give you certain softwares where you can learn to see what the employee is doing in your absence or what the employee is doing on your laptop or computer. I hope you're getting me. One of the tools, if you want, you can write down. His name is Active Track. Yeah, this is, see, these tools are very popularly known as employee monitoring tools. In the corporate world, these are known as employee monitoring tools, where they deploy such tools on the desktop or the laptop of the employee so that they can actually see what the employee is doing. See, sometimes these tools are used to see if the employee is sending any data outside or not. I hope you're getting me. See, it is for sometimes the data is intellectual property of the company, the designs, the source codes and everything like that. And they don't want that data to be taken out. Sometimes even big corporates now in stock markets also where they have the dealer rooms, like, so in dealer rooms also nowadays employees are beginning to find a way कि by through DOS command or something like that, they're able to share, send some information कि भाई ये shares का deal होने वाला है, whatever it is. They want to monitor it. Okay. From a CS point of view, we might, our trust is there on the employee. I'm saying that we do not have so much of trust issues with our articles basically, but at least we need to know whether they have been good enough or productive enough or not. Now generally I understand that nowadays even article मिलना ही काफी difficult हो रहा है. Okay, उसके ऊपर अगर हम लोग ने ये डाल दिया तो बचा कुछ जो article है और वो भी question करेंगे तो we might be getting into some, but at least what I'm trying to say is that we learn to understand which article is actually working in our absence. Okay, where the article is spending time, and more importantly, this has been very, very beneficial when you see the article is beginning to prepare a resume. Okay, and begin to look for jobs and everything like that. So you get a beforehand only hint कि भाई ये जाने के फिराक में है, or he is not satisfied or something of that sort itself. But more importantly, again, see, this COVID has also brought out something called as moonlighting, if you heard about the term. Okay, where an article who gets 2 years of experience, okay, and he knows he can do GST returns, he can do income tax, or he can do TDS, he will also go somewhere side and then say, भाई मैं आपका accounting का भी काम कर लेता हूँ, accounting entries वाला, और वो accounting का काम किधर करेगा, क्योंकि उसके पास टैली खरीदा हुआ नहीं होगा, आपके पास accounting software सब पड़े, ITR भी रिटर्न पड़ा है. You never know in your absence whether he has been passing such entries, whether he is doing some online work, whether he is doing some cloud work or not. But this is, so I'll just explain this tool. Okay. You just need to create an account. Okay. Again, this is, you get to monitor 3 computers on one email ID, on your one particular @Gmail ID. You will get to monitor 3 computers. 3 computers. Now, for them, it's a device, basically 3 devices. Okay. So what you need to do, create an account. I have already created an account, but you just need to create an account. Log in over there. I'll just show you. So again, I'm going to say that you don't need to doubt, but you just need to monitor what the employee is actually doing in case if there are some really, you can say, okay. Okay, I have just reset it because I was monitoring somebody else, but let me see. Okay, so I'll just show you, I'll just record another thing and I'll tell you. But what I'm trying to say is that, again, I'll show it over here. Okay, see, now it's logged in. See, basically what you can do is live reports. You can see this on the left hand side, you just see the live reports. I have not started anything, but I'm not monitoring anybody off now. But if you look at the free plan, 0 of 3, I'll increase the font size if this is better. No. Yeah, at the very top, can you see free 0 of 3, which means you can monitor up to 3 devices using one email ID. Okay, now you will see you need to download the agent. Can you see this? Download the agent. Now, what you need to do is you download the agent over here, which means a file will get downloaded over here. Can you see a file getting downloaded? This is the file that you need to install in any one of the computers which you need to monitor. I hope you're getting me. This is an agent file, basically. So you take this file. This is pre-configured to this email ID because you're downloaded after logging into that email ID. You just need to take this file and run it into any one of the computers or any 3 of the computers that you need to monitor. Now that file will be hidden. Even if the article is really text savvy, he will not be able to see in the taskbar. He will not be able to see at the sidebar. He will not be able, no antivirus might be able to detect it because it is not going to monitor your keystrokes. Okay. But once installed, it will be running in the background. And then you can see, websites with the employee must have visited. Right now, I do not have any reports to share, but I'm just going to show you. कौन सी website पे कितना time था? Like YouTube, in your absence has been, surfed and gone on and listened to music or saw the match or something like that, or went to Netflix or something like that. What kind of applications have been used? So Tally, Excel, how many times was used? What was the number of hours that was used? Unfortunately, this could be a false positive also. False positive मतलब क्या? Tally चालू रख दिया साइड पे नीचे. I hope you're getting me. Okay. और बाजू में अपना YouTube भी चालू है. I hope you're getting me. तो ब्राउजर पे YouTube भी चालू है, इधर Tally भी चालू है. तो इधर दिखेगा Tally 3 घंटा चालू था, but YouTube भी 2 घंटा चालू था. Okay, so there is a little manual effort. See, I hope you understand. No matter how good artificial intelligence or machine learning happens, ultimately they are computers. Garbage in, garbage out. And human beings have created that, and human beings can fool that also. Okay, so if I am a very smart employee, if I know that productivity, मतलब corporate में कोई मेरा laptop monitor कर रहा होगा, तो Tally चालू रख देने का, Excel भी चालू करके रख दो, और तीन application चालू करके रख दो जो productive में काम आते, और side पे YouTube चालू रखो, incognito window के ऊपर. Okay, I hope you understand whether they will be captured or not. But yes, this will capture. So what I'm trying to make you understand is, you can see how many working hours it was there. मतलब computer और laptop भी कितने time चालू था, कब सोया, कब जागा.